Hey everyone, Ryan coming back at you with yet another box of 2011 Topps Triple Threads football. It's been a pretty solid case so far. Those are 2 mini boxes. 2 hits in each. Two packs, both feel about the same. Okay, out of 250 we have a Joseph Addai. $9.99 Drew Brees. $9.99 Mormon Power Austin Collie. $9.99 Eli Manning. Out of 300 Matthew Stafford. You gotta be kidding me. Another Ryan Mallett, number 33 out of 75. Unity Jersey Auto, Ryan Mallett. Unbelievable. And then number 15 out of 18, 2-time Super Bowl champ, Jim Plunkett. Also the second one of these in the case I've given. Ryan Mallett. This is box number 6 out of 9. And this would make the 5th out of 6 boxes that have one of his hits. That's crazy. Pierre Thomas to 99. $9.99 Jamal Charles. $9.99 Jay Cutler. $9.99 Hakeem Nicks. $300 Ahmad Bradshaw. The Unity is 30 out of 36. It's a jersey of Jason Witten. And then nice true rookie, number 69 out of 99, all one color, of Stephen Ridley. So, nice. Alright, please rate and subscribe if you haven't already. 3 more to go here eventually. I should have a guest host here soon, actually coming from Detroit, another fellow YouTuber. I'll have Bust the Next Box coming back from the Big Ten Championship game, so whenever he gets here. So that's all I have right now. Thanks for watching. Deuces!